Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to record a Google Meet session on your iPad. This is great if you want to save your class meeting or discussion for later. So let's get started. First of all, check the permission. First, remember that only the meeting host or someone the host has allowed can record in Google Meet. Also, recordings are only available if your Google account is part of a Google Workspace plan. If you are using a free Gmail account, the built-in recording option won't appear. Now, using iPad screen recording. If you don't see that record button in the Google Meet on iPad, don't worry. You can use the iPad built-in screen recording feature. To do this, swipe down. If you swipe down in the iPad, you will see the screen recording button. As you can see, this is my iPhone, so this is the option called screen recording. It's a circle inside the another circle. Tap it and after 3 seconds your iPad will start recording while everything on your screen, including the meeting. Now to stop the recording, when you are done, open the control center again and tap the record button to stop. This will automatically save to your Photos app. Your recording will save to your Photos app where you can review, trim or share it. If you are recording, let everyone in the meeting know for a privacy reasons, and that's how you record a Google Meet session on your iPad. Super easy. If this tutorial helps, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.